What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Distorted. We have a really fun day planned ahead of us. I'm just gonna hand it over to Christian. I'm gonna just hand it over.
Could you shut the frick up, dude?
Like his hands, he keeps doing the Donald Trump hands. He's like, "Welcome back to Distorted. We have the best day, the greatest day in front of us because I'm here. I'm Donald Trump." That's what he's like right now.
Bro, you're not helping. Anyway, so we are going to look at a car. It's gonna be for Christian, but right now we're working on an oil change for one of Grayson's sugar daddies. Yeah, that's what we got. So anyway, we got a fun day planned ahead of us, but I'm gonna hand it off to Christian to explain what's going on.
Basically, I had a 328i 2009, smacked a deer, insurance totaled it out. So they gave me a pretty decent check, and I'm gonna go buy a 335i.
There you go. So that's the game plan. Buy a nicer version of the old car. We're on the way to buy that car. Just by the way, Christian.
Yeah?
Do you have anything to say?
Not particularly.
Why not?
I don't know, other than the thought of this is about to be probably one of the best days of my life or one of the worst days of my life. Not really much else.
Valid. Alright. Oh, jeez. Alright, cue cinematic traveling video thing. Why are you doing that?
Can anyone else hear it?
What?
Do you think those cars in front of us can hear it?
Maybe.
I don't know. The wind's kind of fighting us.
How do you feel about that?
I don't know.
Tired of feeling like a taxi and back in the field. So many scars on my heart, it's like a struggle to heal. I can't relate to the fakest, I'm in love with the real. I don't reply to the deals, I keep it cool in the background. I seen how you move, how I maneuver, you tapped out. They said that I'm lazy, they said that I'm crazy. I heard it all before they came to touch with you.
Alright, we're almost there. It's been a minute, about a 3-hour drive. Excited?
Yeah, kind of.
Alright.
We'll have to see what the car looks like. I'm hoping the power steering isn't entirely gone.
Yeah, you should go on there, bro. You time.
Other than that, it should be a pretty nice car.
I don't think I'm gonna film much because I don't know if we're gonna buy the car just yet. So, but if we do buy the car, you'll see it in a nice little cinematic thing. So anyway, we'll update you when we get updates. Thanks. All right, so we had a little bit of a mishap.
No, we did not have a mishap, bro. Christian's just a goober.
So we got there, right? And I don't know what Christian was thinking. I should have asked him beforehand because he's never actually bought a car. But so we get there and he test drive it and it looks good, right? We get there and he doesn't have any cash with him or like a cashier's check or anything. He thinks you can just Venmo the guy the amount, like the money for the car. And I'm like, he was able to Venmo him like basically a deposit to basically secure the car. So we ended up actually just going and getting a cashier's check at a bank that was like a couple hours away. So we're filling up right now. And Christian's filling up the gas on his phone. So yeah, so we're gonna get some dinner real quick, and then go back and pick up the car and come back home. So that'll be interesting.
Yeah.
Real fun.
North side.
What'd you say?
North side.
Grayson feels horrible right now.
I'm like, yeah.
He's like sick. I don't know why.
My head hurts. Hungry.
Yeah.
My head hurts really bad for some reason. I don't know why.
All right. Anyway, well, yeah, we got the car.
No.
Mission accomplished.
Have the car.
This guy's cringe.
I'm pissed off.
How do you feel?
Oh, I'm so happy.
Feel good?
This thing's great.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
We got the car. We gotta drive it home. We're not really in the best part of town, so we're gonna. So anyway, we're gonna drive home.
Yep.
And hopefully won't die.
I'll do my best.
We got the car.
Yep.
All right. That's all. Oh my god. Dude, that's crazy.